you know that our planet is asking for help? And it's not something that can wait. We must act now. The Earth is sending us clear signals, from heat waves that can melt glaciers to powerful hurricanes like Hurricane Maria, which devastated the Caribbean in 2017. To face the problem, we need to understand it. So the first question here is, what is climate change? Climate change, or in Spanish, cambio climático, is like a traffic light that is now red, and that means only one thing: danger. Something must change. It all started with industrialization, the creation of machines and factories that produce greenhouse gases, such as carbon dioxide and methane gas. There are also hydrofluorocarbons, or HFCs, which are even more powerful than carbon dioxide, even though they do not directly damage the ozone layer. Now, the next question is, what causes climate change today? First one, burning fossil fuels. The combustion of oil and natural gas to produce energy releases large amounts of greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide and methane. Second one, deforestation. Trees capture carbon dioxide and release oxygen, so cutting them down reduces the absorption of CO2. Also, burning trees releases the carbon stored in them, increasing gas levels in the atmosphere. Third one, agriculture and livestock. These activities produce two greenhouse gases: methane, found in rice fields, and the digestion of cows and other ruminants, and nitrous oxide, present in nitrogen fertilizers. The fourth one is industrial processes. The production of steel, aluminum, cement, plastics, and fertilizers generates high concentrations of carbon dioxide. And the last one is transportation. The cars. Both mechanical and electric cars release compounds that affect the atmosphere during production, resource extraction, and use. Now that we have some context, let's put on a wetsuit, grab our regulator, fins, and mask, and dive into the ocean to see the things from its perspective. The first one is higher temperatures. Greenhouse gases trap heat, and much of it is absorbed by the ocean. This increases water temperature, killing coral reefs and melting glaciers. Second one, ocean acidification. This is a topic for another video, but here's a summary, don't worry. When carbon dioxide dissolves in water, it turns into carbonic acid, lowering the pH and reducing calcium carbonate, an essential compound for corals, mollusks, and crustaceans. The next one, rising sea levels. Heat expansion in water causes ice to melt, raising sea levels. In extreme cases, this leads to flooding and habitat loss. The other one, and this is quite unusual, it's deoxygenation. What is this, Gabriela? Let me explain to you. Warmer oceans hold less oxygen, creating dead zones like the ones in Mexico's Gulf or the Oman's Gulf, where little or no life can survive. And the last one is changes in ocean currents. A fun fact about ocean currents is that they distribute heat, and when temperatures rise, the ocean's climate and weather patterns change, affecting marine species migration routes. If we continue on this path of ignorance, the earth, the ocean, and all life will fall into complete imbalance, affecting us as well. As Sylvia once said,
"You can know and not care, but you can't care if you don't know."
So the last question is, what is being done about it? 3 words: the Paris Agreement, the most important international agreement in the fight against climate change. It was adopted on December 12, in 2015 by the UNFCCC, or United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change, during COP21 in Paris, France. You may ask, what are their objectives? Its objectives are limit, keep global temperature rise below 2 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels, and ideally under 1.5 degrees to reduce risks. Second one, resilience, strengthen adaptation to climate challenges in different regions. And the last one, financing, provide financial support to developing countries to help them resist and reduce the effect of climate change. This section is inspired by the motto, the more we know, the more we love. And the ocean provides us with health, food, transportation, and much more. But our actions seriously harm it. Expanding our knowledge and awareness allow us to make more sustainable choices and help improve the ocean's health. Every action counts. Remember that. Even small decisions can have a bigger impact than we imagine. Remember this, the more we know, the more we love.